Hello students, in last lecture we learned the basic of matrices. Let's continue with the further part of it, that is operations on matrices. The very first operation is addition of two matrices. Here I consider one example. A is a matrix of order 2 by 2, B is a matrix of order 2 by 2 and we want to find A plus B. The addition is very simple. First element of first matrix plus first element of second matrix will gives us the element for the resultant matrix. Here 3 plus 9 is 12, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10 and 8 plus 1 is 9. Suppose I consider one more example of order 3 by 3. Then again same addition will be the first element of first matrix plus first element of second matrix will gives us the element for the resultant matrix and so on. That means it is very clear that for addition of two matrices we require two matrices of same order. Now second operation is subtraction of two matrices. Here also I consider the same matrices as above and we want to subtract these two matrices A and B. Then first element of first matrix minus first element of second matrix will gives us the element for the resultant matrix and so on. So 3 minus 9 minus 6, 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 1, 7. Now here also if we consider two matrices of order 3 by 3, then subtraction procedure will be the same. 1 minus 7 minus 6, 2 minus 9 minus 7, 9 minus 3, 6 and so on. So we can say that for subtraction of two matrices also we require two matrices of same order. Then next operation is scalar multiplication of matrix. Now suppose a matrix A is given of order 2 by 2 and we want answer for 4A. Then we are going to multiply each and every element of matrix A by 4 and this type of multiplication is called as scalar multiplication. Here 4 into 3 12, 4 into 4 16, 4 into 6 24, 4 into 8 32. So this is the answer for 4A. Suppose we consider one more example. This is the matrix A of order 3 by 3 is given and we want to find matrix minus 7A. Then to this matrix we are going to multiply each and every element by minus 7 and wherever the minus sign is already given then minus minus will become plus. For example, see the first element minus 7 into minus 1 will gives us the element 7 and so on. So this is about the scalar multiplication of matrix. Now next operation is multiplication of two matrices. Now here suppose I consider two matrices of order 2 by 2, then for multiplication a proper process is given. We cannot multiply like 1 into 0 is 0, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 and so on. That method is not applicable. Here the multiplication method is first row of first matrix into first column of second matrix. So you can see 1 into 0 0 plus 3 into 3 9. Similarly 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into 2 6. Like this you are going to multiply. 2 into 0 is 0 plus 4 into 3 is 12. Similarly 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 4 into 2 is 8. So answer is this. Now here one can ask you the question, if the two matrices are of different order then can we multiply them? Then see how to check whether the multiplication exists or not. Now here in second example A is a matrix of order 2 by 3. 2 rows and 3 columns are present. And B is a matrix of order 3 by 2. 3 rows and 2 columns are present. Now see how you will check whether the multiplication AB exists or not. If the number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix, then only multiplication exists, and the order of the resultant matrix will be 2 by 2, means number of rows of first matrix by number of columns of second matrix. Now see here, in the first matrix number of column 3, in the second matrix number of row 3, so these numbers are same, that means multiplication exists. See, you are going to multiply like this: 1 into minus 2 plus minus 1 into 3 minus 3 plus 2 into 0 0. Similarly, 1 into 1 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 1 plus 2 into 2 4. 0 into minus 2 0 plus minus 1 into 3 minus 3 plus 3 into 0 0. Similarly, 0 into 1 0 plus minus 1 into minus 1 1 plus 3 into 2 6. So answer will be this. You can see here the order for the resultant matrix is 2 by 2. Now suppose we consider one more example. Here A is a matrix of order 2 by 3. 2 rows and 3 columns are present. B is a matrix of order 2 by 2. 2 rows and 2 columns are present. And the question is, find matrix A into B. That means we want to multiply these two matrices A and B. But before multiplication, first we will check whether multiplication exists or not. The order of matrix A is 2 by 3. The order of matrix B is 2 by 2. So we will check whether the number of columns of A is equal to number of row of B or not. See here, number of columns of A is equal to 3 and number of rows of B is equal to 2. That means they are not equal. Number of columns of matrix A is not equal to number of rows of matrix B. That means multiplication does not exist and therefore AB does not exist. So we can consider this note that if number of columns of first matrix is equal to the number of rows of second matrix, then only multiplication exists, and the order of the resultant matrix will be number of rows of first matrix by number of columns of second matrix. Now suppose we consider one more example. A is a matrix of order 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. B is a matrix of order 2 by 2. Then according to our note, if you check whether AB exists or not, then AB does not exist. But if we want to find A transpose into B, then you know the definition for the transpose. To find the transpose, we interchange rows to column. So here, as A is a matrix of order 2 by 3, if we consider transpose of A, then order of transpose of A will be 3 by 2 because the row will become the column. Now the order of A transpose is 3 by 2 and B as it is, as we require A transpose into B, so 2 by 2. Now according to our note, we can check the number of columns of A transpose is equal to number of row of matrix B. 2 both are equal, therefore multiplication exists. And by considering the same procedure of multiplication, here we get this answer, and order of this matrix, resultant matrix, is 3 by 2. You can check here 3 rows and 2 columns are present. Thank you, students.